Hey, I got bored and I decided to do a video bike check. Cracked my ribs, biking, being dumb. So, been sitting here all summer bored. So, here's my bike check. Got the Asati 2 Mankind frame, 21-inch top tube. Got the We the People seat. Not sure what kind. It came on the We the People Justice. Got the Alienation Black Sheep back rim with the Rush V2 free coaster. Got premium back peg, pretty sure. I don't know, I got that a long time ago. Got the Odyssey twisted pedals. Got the Shadow Scream sprocket. Looks pretty nice. Got this Ghetto chain, which it's like 5 different chains because I always break chains, I guess. Got the Alienation Deviant front rim and salt pegs, which also came on the We the People I had. It's horrible. Got these Haro forks because I snapped my front forks. Forks are kind of jank too. Got the We the People headset. Not sure what it is besides that. I don't know. Got a Shadow Old Dirty or Little Dirty, I can't remember, grip on this side and a fit on this side. I don't know. This bike is kind of just pieced together. Got the Nitrous OG bars and a salt stem. Got the Fly Rubin front tire and a old Primo wall on the back. And I don't know if you can see it, but I got purple Shadow spokes. Yeah, my bike is kind of dirty because it was on the back of my car going down country roads. But that's pretty much it. Kind of like that. It's kind of cool. Got a whole bunch of random stickers. Yep. Oh. And got salt crank, a salt crank, I don't know. Got a lot of salt parts from the old We the People. Snapped it in half. But yep, that's about it. Alright.